How to make Nutri-Gel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, how are you today? I hope you are in good health. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Laila. As we know, Nutri-Gel a favorite jelly made from sweet. Objective: I'm here to practice how to make Nutri-Gel with two flavors. We are use orange and melon flavored Nutri-Gel. Okay, first we will prepare the ingredients including 2 sachets of orange and melon Nutri-Gel, sugar, 2 sweetened condensed milk, and water. Tools: pan, spoon, glass, knife, mold, and container. Steps: 1. Mix the two flavors of Nutri-Gel and fruity acid alternately, measuring 1 sachet of Nutri-Gel with 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar or according to taste in a saucepan. Steps 2. Add 2 1/2 glasses 650 ml of water. Stir. Enter completely mix while like this, while turning on the stove. We heat it by turning on the stove until it boils. Number 3. Turn off the heat and let it rest for 3 minutes. Number 4. Nutri-Gel is ready to be printed. After few minutes, we add topping using sweetened condensed milk. Number 5. Continue after doing it a second time with a different flavor preference. We put in on the mold that was previously filled with Nutri-Gel below it. And number 6. And after the Nutri-Gel is ready, we put it in a container, then melt it using sweetened condensed milk. Nutri-Gel is ready. Hopefully it useful and good luck try it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.